Let's look under the hood of our HAX site at the site settings. To get into the site settings and modify the way the content management system works, go to the house with a pencil, which is site settings. From here, you see we have lots of different categories now as to ways you can customize your experience with the HAX content management system. So I could change the theme via appearance, structure via that site outline, review the content, query the content, see where my pages are, when they were last updated, revert revisions. I can see reports, which is an area we're still building out for the next release, but get valuable insights into our content, searching it, helping with accessibility audits, discovering media, where it's used in content, etc. Under About, I can learn more about the HAX project, how to get involved, keyboard shortcuts that exist to optimize using the system, as well as additional shortcuts, tutorial links, and API stuff. We can also dig into files, where I could work just on these files, see all the files that have been uploaded to my site. Views that lets me slice the data that I have in here in different ways and visualize it for embedding insights for dynamic views of data. Features, where I can toggle on and off different core features of the system. For example, if I didn't want people using this site to use the outline designer or add pages or delete pages, I could turn those off. Editor, we can toggle between a novice experience, which is a simplified editor, or the more advanced expert mode. Blocks, where we can remove the blocks that we might not want to use in our site. So if I'm not using this career role element, I could actually remove it so it doesn't bother to show up. And I could also glance and see what that is. SEO settings for compliance with Google, Microsoft, other search engines, AI agents, ability to import and export the current site and page in any number of formats, including EPUB, DocX, HTML, a zip file, Markdown, PDF, etc. And some additional details of our site, like the title and the homepage.